So, YouTube, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the video. I'm your host. I'm Ty.
I'm Whitney.
And today is Saturday, baby. You know what that means. All fit people know what that means. It's cheat day.
Cheat day.
It's cheat day. So we're going to put together a little Krispy Kreme mukbang for y'all. I got baby right here putting out all the goodies.
Donuts.
We're gonna demolish
See
these
how
things.
many we can eat. This is our first time doing this. We never just sit there and just ate donuts. And
I mean, we sat here and ate donuts.
Yeah, we sat here and ate donuts,
but we never, you know what I mean? We never filmed it for the tubes, baby. We ain't filmed it for the tubes yet. So
and the kids are asleep, so it's just us like we're on a donut date.
Yeah, so we ain't gonna be too loud either, because I don't need Liam coming out here. Daddy, 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 daddy. No. You know what I mean? So this is gonna be epic, man. So you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
Here's some napkins.
Come on, baby. Sit your fine ass down.
Oh, thank you.
Sit the fuck down.
Okay.
Alright, so went to Krispy Kreme, got the donuts. We got 12 assorted, and I got 4 Boston cream on this side, baby.
And we got some Oreo. We got 3 Oreo, 3 blueberry cake, and 3 glaze, and 3 strawberry sprinkle.
So, which one is your favorite?
My favorite is, I'm gonna do a glaze, something light and airy to start off.
Glaze is always the best.
Yeah,
my original favorite is the Boston cream.
That's a little heavy.
But I'm gonna start with
blueberry
the
cake?
blueberry
wow,
cake.
You know what to eat.
All right,
cake
so
first.
You've been dieting for how long?
A week now, straight, hardcore.
Dude, I've been going 5 months, hardcore. Like, you gotta follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You know what it is. You see all that good shit. But blueberry cake. All right, we're about to take off first.
Yeah.
Dude,
oh my god.
when I was driving, I was having a midlife crisis. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't know. I was like, dude, after dieting for 5 months, I was like, all right, it's here. Do I eat the fucking donuts or donut? Like, I was like, literally.
That too.
I was like,
because I had a good weigh in today, so I'm like,
I waited at a new low. She waited at a new low. You know what? Let's get into it. All right, hold on.
Ready? Donut.
First bite. Hold on. It's gotta be a big bite though. Don't do no chunk bite.
I'm so scared.
I'm like nervous. Hold on. Let me smell it. Oh.
That takes forever. Ready? Set.
Hold on. Let me show my people. Look at that blueberry cake donut. Yeah, man.
I just want to bite. Okay, you ready?
Right. So, cheers. Hold on. Okay. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cheers.
Oh my god.
No.
Nothing like it.
Ain't nothing like that first bite.
So good.
Dude, I've been missing. Oh, so me, anytime I eat donut, I gotta have that milk, baby. Gotta have that milk. Look at that.
Oh my god.
You gotta have that milk, baby.
I really hold donut.
I could legit eat like 100 of these. This is like nothing. Krispy Kreme, baby. Shout out. It's like eating air.
So late. We were up all night doing our research and trying to figure out which one should we do, Dunkin' or Krispy. And the guy on the YouTube was saying that Dunkin' was a little too thick, so we went to Krispy Kreme.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't think I've been to Dunkin' Donuts like twice in my life. Hold on, yo, which one you go to next?
Oh, strawberry. I'm hungry.
Alright. I'm going strawberry too. Let's do this. Cheers, mate.
Alright, next time I'll wait for you.
Let me see if I can bake like this.
Oh, God. So good?
Yeah, amazing.
Tastes like nice strawberry.
Oh. Cool. You ready for story time? You sure?
What kind of story you about to tell?
You ready for story time? You see that strawberry sprinkle? It's gone, man. It's gone. What's your next move? You know what? I gotta bring it home, baby. I gotta bring it home. Boston cream.
I'm gonna do my Oreo because it's kind of the same. It's kind of the same thing, but it's got a cream in it, Oreo
right
cream in it.
There you go. Hold on, put yours in. There we go. All the way up, all the way up. Get behind it. There you go.
All right, I love Oreos. I could eat Oreos all day.
Let me see the biggest bite you can take, man. Stop fronting. Don't front for the tubes, right? Don't front. Let's see it.
Ready?
Cheers, mate.
Go. Done. I'm almost there.
It's gone, man.
I think mine's got a thicker cream in the middle than yours.
It's gone.
Mine is more rich.
Killing donuts in 2 bites. Look at that.
Yeah, you definitely can't eat too many of these big ones. And like the...
They're like ones from the bakery?
No, like these kind. Like you can eat the glaze and the strawberry, nothing. But these have got some stuff in it, so they're a little bit heavier.
Alright, so. Back to story time. You sure you ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so. We're laying down. I left the house to go get the donuts, right? Everybody knows me. I'm a social media connoisseur, so I was doing my thing on Snapchat, pulling in the Krispy Kreme, vlogging and whatnot. Ordered donuts, right? Follow me so far?
Mm-hmm.
I pull up to the window. The lady says, cash or card? I said, card. Guess what she says? Take a wild guess.
No card.
She says, our machines are updating. You get all these donuts for free.
You're lying.
On everything.
Lying.
Swear to you. I wanted to see your raw reaction when I told you this. All these donuts for free. Me being fat, I didn't even say thank you. The first thing I thought was like, why didn't I get 3 dozen, bro?
Oh, God.
Why didn't I get 3? She gave me all these donuts for free, bro. Because the system was up there. Yeah. I was like, what?
The heck?
I was like, get out of here, bro. Yo, where do I want to go next?
Dang, that's crazy. That's a good start to the day.
All these donuts for free, man.
Dang. We need to do a shout out to Krispy Kreme.
Shout out Krispy Kreme. No, shout out to that new. She was new. She was new.
Oh, God.
I heard her. She was like radioing in on the her little headset, talking to somebody back. She was like, "We got a problem," and they were like, "Well, I'm a little busy right now." So she was like, "All right, I'll handle it." I heard her when she said, "I'll handle it." I said, "Thank God."
That's crazy. Wow. She probably said I already touched all of them, so I will just give them to her.
Oh yeah, baby.
Cause it's not your fault, that's her fault.
And I was the only one in line, so she was like, "All right, let me let him get through. He be all right." And she knew I was cool. You know what I mean? I mean, look at me.
Cool look.
That's it. That Oreo one, Oreo cookie is not bad. I don't like Oreos, but on this, pretty good.
Alright, I'm gonna try a blueberry cake. Let's see. Let's see how it tastes.
What do you want, blueberry?
Look at all those Boston creams left. So do you feel full?
Not full.
What's it called? Satiated?
Satiated. I feel good though. Should we say that one for Liam?
Yeah, I'm in London. They're gonna be like, what? The kids stayed up late last night, so they might be asleep for a long time.
What time did we wake up yesterday?
Liam was 7:30 and London was like 8.
It's bomb. I'm glad we didn't go to Love Bugs though.
Yeah.
2 donuts in. I swear if you take the donuts and you put them like that, those are Love Bugs donuts. About that wide, about that thick.
I would have just had 2 and been done. I'm good.
So talk about what type of workouts and diet you've been doing this week.
My workouts have been doing the cardio every day with you on the steps for 1 hour, and then we take a couple laps around the lake. And then my diet has been just, I'm not even really hungry that much anymore. I guess finally my mind is on the right path to the right road that I'm not even hungry that more. But it's just chicken, a little salad every now and then, a couple of little oranges. I definitely need to drink some more water this week.
That's what I was telling you. Especially like when we hitting the stairs, like that's what we do now that we're on quarantine, me and her. We do the flights of stairs for an hour. We go up 3 flights, back down, non-stop though. And I take all my water bottles, I got like 2 or 3, and I put them at the bottom every time I go. I'm like every 5 minutes I hit the water.
I try to do every 15, but
every 15.
I'm not really thirsty. But you sweat a lot compared to me.
Like we live here in Florida, so it's hot. So it's like one thing, you have to stay hydrated. You know what I mean? So other than that, man, it's just cardio. We gotta find some bands. You know what I mean? Start doing some bands resistance training. I think that would be good too. Because I'm gonna go crazy without this gym. Y'all need to open up the gyms, man.
I said on the 1st. We'll see. We'll see. But they weren't planning on it being this long.
I haven't went this long without a pump. It's like, yo, I'm trimming up, I'm looking good, but all my gym people know what I mean. It's just like, it's nothing like that gym pump. You know what I mean?
I'm walking in there.
You can't do it without it.
Everybody's gonna be all excited when it opens back up.
It's like a love-hate relationship, you know what I mean?
Then you got a lot of milk you gotta drink. Drink your drink.
Hey, don't worry about my milk. Y'all see that?
So we got a glaze left, a blueberry cake, an Oreo, and a Boston cream left. How many more can you eat?
I don't know, man.
This blueberry stick, man.
That was the first one I popped. That's the all-time favorite. You don't want this glaze, right?
I'm gonna eat the glaze with this light. I can finish that. I think this will be my last one. Unless I do the thing where people like stand up and be like, what's going down?
Alright, I'm gonna smash this blueberry. Told you, man, you gotta get that milk, baby. Be an OG. Be an OG original.
Alright, I can do this. I don't want to drink no iced tea right now until after.
This was the same person yesterday.
What?
I'm gonna eat 100 donuts.
Well, I was, but now I'm full.
I'm gonna eat 100 donuts. I said, babe, you ain't built like me. I'm a donut connoisseur, you know? Look at that.
Trip.
I was 335 pounds, baby. How you think I got there? Salad?
Alright. I'm at this big bite it. Take 2 of these together. No, I can't. I'm just gonna take them in half.
Come on, baby.
Alright, here we go. I gotta. Hold on. Oh, that was a false alarm. One half gone.
Another thing too is like when you've been dieting strict all week and you smashing donuts first. Remember, see, I was talking to you about this last night. I said, babe, you have to be careful. This has to be a strategy, you know?
Mm-hmm.
When you're coming off a diet, you want to do savory, not sweet. So next time you know. You know what I mean?
You always did say that before.
I told you. You got to start your cheat day with savory, not sweet. Sweet is in the middle. Once your body gets adjusted, it's right now your body don't know.
My body's like, ding, ding,
and it's going haywire. You know what I mean? But guess what? When I get some pizza.
Alright, ready?
Come on.
Oh, you got more left than me. Good luck.
This little bit.
Alright, I did. So how many think you ate?
Yeah, 100.
Oh, okay. I mean, like right now, how many think you ate? I had like 1 cake. I think I had 2 strawberry, like 2 glazed, 1 Oreo.
How many donuts did we have?
12 plus 6.
16?
No, 12 plus 4.
Yeah, 16. Yo, come on. If you eat those 2 donuts, I'll give you $50.
Give you $50.
It's cheat day, baby.
Let me see you eat 2 more.
What do I get?
More donuts to yourself. Oh my God, I need to go for a walk. Walk the dog, you know.
Told her, man.
Got a dog.
This donut game, you gotta be careful, baby. It's a donut mukbang, baby.
We did more better than some people we see. They be having like only 4 donuts or something. And they have a whole pile still left over.
So you slump?
Yeah, I'm good.
You done?
I'm drinking my Crystal Light iced tea. You know, I just put a little bit of powder in it. 0 calories.
That's another thing. She a drinker, you know what I mean?
I know, try to go slow.
See, you can't be, listen, you can't be an eater and a drinker. The 2 don't go hand in hand. You have to figure this out. But the donuts were good. There's 4 little donuts left. We can just slide those to the kids.
Krispy Kreme came through.
2 Boston cream, 1 Oreo left, 1 strawberry sprinkle. They gonna be mad when they wake up. They gonna be, I ate without it.
London will, Liam won't care.
We live the parent life, baby. We live the parent life, baby.
Yes.
Eat those crumbs.
No. Good.
Eat those crumbs, baby.
Do the oh, you gotta do the intro. Alright, what's the...
I think I honestly could eat 2 more.
Alright, well, you have fun with that. I'm watching.
You're supposed to be bobbing and weaving with me, you know what I mean? You're supposed to be bobbing and weaving with me. Next time, you'll listen to me, right?
What do?
Cool, you better still clear up your stomach, man. We got a long way to go today, baby. We got a long way to go today, baby. Cheat day. But I'm gonna end the video here. Babe, how was the donuts?
Very good. I'm happy. You woke me up with a surprise. I was like, did you already go? Like, what? And then they were here. And we made it do what it do.
Dude, that weight was worth it. Oh, man. I feel like, dude, I'm telling you, you know what them carbs is gonna do to me tomorrow? I'm gonna be looking juicy tomorrow. That's it. Yo, we gonna donut kiss. Alright, y'all. We're about to end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. We out, man.
Stay tuned for our
Until
next
next time,
adventure.
baby.
What would it be?